Hello everyone and welcome in our new YouTube video. And today we are also going to look another project. And before that, we already seen a few projects you can check out on my channel. Like all these projects, most of based on the MERN stack. One is full stack and one is advanced backend and another one is chat app. So if my voice is low, I recommend you to use earphones for more clear voice. So now let's get start to our video. In today's video, basically we are going to look Spring Boot project, backend as a Spring Boot and front end as a React, our all-time favorite front-end library. So basically, or rather, it says that everyone uses like two IDE. First is IntelliJ for Spring Boot or Java code. Another one is VS Code for React, doing like JavaScript or front-end things. So I also do the same for the React, for the Spring or Java thing. I use IntelliJ IDEA. So, but right now the project is completed, so there is no point to use two IDs simultaneously. We will spin up our project in VS Code. All things are same, no difference. So in IntelliJ, you can run your project from here in application and just click on this run or play button. Your project will be started. Like main function, everything starts from main function. So just spin up the main function. So let's move on our folder structure. There is a backend folder, there is a front end folder. All the Spring Boot code in the backend folder and React is in front end. You can ignore these two files. Okay. So let's first of all see what dependencies we have used in pom.xml file. So you can see the dependency tag, basically one, two, three, four, five dependencies, all basic dependencies like Lombok and Spring Web and database. One more important thing is database. We use Postgres here. So the Postgres SQL is also used as a dependency and Spring Boot starter web. All dependencies are normal, like very basic. You must have all these dependencies to start just a Spring Boot project. So this is the form.xml file, and before the backend part, let's go into SRC main part. You can see Java and all these things like const and domain repo. So here is the application.java main file, and you can you can also check what database like what is the database configuration I use. So I recommend to just copy paste all these as it is. And one important thing, this is my database. Basically, the app name is TrueDialer, and the default port of Postgres is 5432. So one thing I want to tell you is that uh, before before spinning this project, I recommend you to just go in your PG admin or whatever you use, go in server, and like you can see, I have already previous four databases like this, and this is our main TrueDialer. So it's better to create a new database like this, okay, and name it, and then you can spin, okay, then you can spin this project. So there will be no error. Otherwise, if you just spin and think like database is automatically created with this name, but this won't work, okay. So it's better to create a database first here as same as mentioned in the YAML file. Basically, you can write YAML or YML. The full form is yet another markup language. It is easy to use. Okay, so this is the main thing, and the rest like so SQL is true, DDL auto update, and all those things. Okay, And in this project, I use you can upload avatar or photo as image. So as you can see, max file size is 100 MB, max request size is 1000 MB. Not, it's better to do 100 MB. Okay. Yeah, max file size is 100 MB. So let's save it. And time to spin the project. Basically, in front end, there is, no, you can, first of all, let me show you package.json, what dependency, not dependencies or like what node modules I used. So this is the package.json. So React app, I don't use Vite in this project. I just create React. Okay, and yeah, just a React and no other thing like Redux or there is no need. Okay, only basic hooks, React hooks did my works. Okay, so let's start spinning our project. 6 minutes already passed. So in application.java, I will spin from here. Everything is same. You can spin from here as well. But first of all, let me cut this. Okay. If everything goes right, yes. Yeah, I started application in 11 seconds. And Tomcat started on port 8080. Our backend is successfully started. And let me go to CD front end and npm start our front end. So our React project will spin up. We already spin up our backend, Spring, and now time for, yeah, it successfully spin up. And as you can see, this is how our project look like. Okay, so basically at first you see 10, 10 like 10 contact details on first. And in this project, I also done like pagination. Okay, it's better to do the things in pagination form. So let's add a new contact. So this is the contact form, basically how it look like, and you can add it from here. Okay, and you can edit if you want to edit anything, you can just edit here. Okay, like if you want, just you can see if I change here, you can also see the change here as well. So or if I did this, save it, contact updated. So it's better to add a new contact. Let's add Joe Rogan. Okay. Email is Joe at the rate. Title is podcaster. Phone is some random. Address is New Jersey, USA, and active. Basically, you can do like active or inactive. And let's choose the photo for avatar. Yeah, if you save it, now you see the like 10 the 10 loaded on the first page, and the one thing the last is like the 11th is on another page. So as you see, it is it it arranged in alphabetical order, so from like C to V. Okay, so these are the things. If you want to change photo, you just click here. And as same like if you want to change the name here, the things will change. Photo updated. Okay, I think I didn't say, no, it worked. Okay. So there is a problem. I think it shows previously here, like, okay, but it didn't show, no worries. We will check it again. So let's put, it must be reflect the real Joe Rogan here. So no worries, we have to refresh, but why this happened, I don't know. Like here, photo updated successfully, but no change here. Okay, no matter. So in the database, you can see TrueDialer, contact, view all rows. You see the 11th contact we have added here, okay? And the updated string is also like here. This is the only contact we updated. So for now, this is the project. You can see you can edit anything from here, and it goes to like next page, previous page. So in the backend, we use Springboot, and in front end, we use React. And I hope you like this project. And for now, this is enough to explain the project. So till then, bye, take care, and see you soon in the next project video.